So I'm Tom Dietrich, and I'm here to talk to you today about how we can combine citizen science with machine learning to do ecological modeling. So I study bird migration, or more accurately, I work with people who study bird migration. And every night during the migration season, billions of birds are in the air flying across North America. And the question my collaborators have is, how do these birds decide when to begin their migration north, when to land and stop over for a few days, when to continue onward, and when to stop and make a nest? Now, to make a model of bird migration in order to answer these scientific questions, we wish we had data where every bird carried their own cell phone and we could track them as they went across the United States. Unfortunately, cell phones are not small and lightweight enough yet for that to work. So instead, what we're relying on is volunteers. We call them citizen scientists, in this case, bird watchers, who go out every day and fill out a checklist of the species that they saw that day and report them to a website called ebird.org. So this is a collaboration with the Cornell Lab of Ornithology, and here's a map showing the reports from birders, where the red dots are places where they saw a particular species and the gray dots are places where they did not. So then we take this kind of data, which is rather large and messy, and apply techniques from the field of machine learning, my area of expertise, to convert them into accurate models for prediction and recognition. Machine learning in general is being applied to a wide range of domains. It provides the foundation for things like face recognition in cameras, speech recognition, Siri, the intelligent assistant for the iPhone, movie recommendations on Netflix, self-driving cars, and many other things, including bird migration, we hope. So here are some initial results of our bird migration experiments. And on the left, you'll see the model of where we think the birds are migrating as they start, say, down in Haiti, the Dominican Republic, and they end up in Maine and southern Canada. On the right-hand side are all the reports of the eBirders as they're uploading their data to the website. So machine learning is transforming society in many ways. By uncovering patterns in messy data, it's allowing organizations to base their decisions more on data and less on the way things have always been done. So it's allowing us to transform the way we manage our forests and our oceans and endangered species, like many of these bird species. It's also key to marketing and advertising, to managing traffic and improving logistics and infrastructure, including the water and the electrical power grid. And it's also critical to understanding the future of healthcare and healthcare impacts, and of course, it's revolutionizing education as well. And the research that I've been talking about here has been funded by the National Science Foundation. So it's been a thrill to be a part of this field as it's developed and to see all the different ways that machine learning is transforming society.